Hello kids! Today we draw some 2D shapes and learn some colors. So first we draw some 2D shapes. Let's start. Right triangle. It's a right triangle shape, kids. Right triangle. Now we draw triangle shape. It's a triangle. What is this shape, kids? It's a triangle shape. Pie. We draw pie shape, kids. It's a pie. Pie. Heart. We draw heart shape. It's a heart. Heart. Now we draw arrow. It's an arrow shape. Arrow. Arrow. Oval. It's an oval shape, kids. Oval. Look at these colors. It's a very nice and cute color, kids. Look at this. Look and learn. Sky blue color, yellow green color, forest green color, green color, red color, pink color, blue color, orange color, yellow color. Yellow green color. Yellow green color. Light violet color. Light violet color. Cool grey color. Cool grey color. Natural oak color. Natural oak color. Forest green color. Forest green color. Old red color. Old red color. Right triangle. Triangle. Pie. Heart. Arrow. Oval. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.